Lust is driven by the desire for sexual gratification. The basis for this stems from our need to reproduce, a need shared among all living things. Through reproduction, organisms pass on their genes and thus contribute to the perpetuation of their species. The brain's hypothalamus plays a significant role in this, stimulating the production of the sex hormones testosterone and estrogen from the testes and ovaries. Meanwhile, the attraction seems to be a distinct phenomenon, though closely related. While we can undoubtedly lust for someone, we are attracted to, and vice versa, one can happen without the other. Attraction involves the brain pathways that control reward behavior, which partly explains why the first few weeks or months can be so exhilarating. Meanwhile, the attraction seems to be a distinct phenomenon, though closely related. While we can undoubtedly lust for someone, we are attracted to, and vice versa, one can happen without the other. Attraction involves the brain pathways that control reward behavior, which partly explains why the first few weeks or months can be so exhilarating and even all-consuming. Dopamine, produced by the hypothalamus, is a particularly well-publicized player in the brain's reward pathway. It's released when we do things that feel good to us. In this case, these things include spending time with loved ones and having sex. High dopamine levels and a related hormone, norepinephrine, are released during attraction. These chemicals make us giddy, energetic, and euphoric, even leading to decreased appetite and insomnia, which means you can actually be so in love that you can't eat and sleep. In fact, norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, may sound familiar because it plays a large role in the fight-or-flight response, which kicks into high gear when we're stressed and keeps us alert. Brain scans of people in love have actually shown that the primary reward centers of the brain, including the ventral tegmental area and the caudate nucleus, fire like crazy when people are shown a photo of someone they are intensely attracted to, compared to when they are shown someone they feel neutral towards, like an old high school acquaintance. Finally, the attraction seems to lead to a reduction in serotonin, a hormone known to be involved in appetite and mood. Interestingly, people who suffer from the obsessive-compulsive disorder also have low serotonin levels, leading scientists to speculate that this underlies the overpowering infatuation that characterizes the beginning stages of love.